Okay, namaste all of you. Let's start with a handstand using the wall support, especially for beginners and for people who are into middle age and those who want to try the advanced posture. And also be careful. And if you have been doing yoga for years, having good shoulder strength and core strength, then you can practice this. So let's begin. First, go close to the wall and measure. Place your arms down with the elbows resting on the floor, fingers touching the wall, and place your palm exactly the where the elbows were rested. And gently raise your knees up. Make a sharp mountain posture and chin slightly upward and sway your body back and forth. Come on your toes so that entire weight of the body is on your shoulders and on your wrist. Feel that pressure in your core as well as you sway your body. Inhaling, sway your body, sailing. Repeat 10 times. Once you're comfortable, then you can slowly start raising your leg up and try to get that weight on your arms evenly distributed on your shoulders. And gently place your heel on the wall and remain steady and still. Make sure the weight is on your shoulders and on your wrist. After a few seconds, then you can slowly let go the wall and slowly come down and relax. And the wrong way of practicing is that many of them go very, very close to the wall. In this case, they cannot lift the leg up, they'll be pushed away. And also, they are not going closer to the hands, the feet is very far away. In that case, also, they cannot raise the leg up, or they are dropping the head too much low. It's also not right. Thank you so much. Namaste.